Becky David from the Windows Club. If you encounter the issue where folder and file names are not showing in Windows, then please watch this video for the resolutions. I will guide you sequentially. The first solution is performing an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated Command Prompt window. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the command SFC /SCANNOW and hit Enter to invoke the SFC scan. Reboot the system once the scan is completed. The second solution is to restart the graphics card drivers. This can be done by pressing the Control, Shift, Windows, and B keys together. See what happened when I pressed these keys? The third solution is to update the graphics card drivers. This can be done by installing optional updates on your computer. Right-click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the Windows Updates tab on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options. Now select Optional Updates. If any optional update is available, please install the same. Return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates. The fourth solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. To do so, press the Windows key and the R button together. This will open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command msconfig and hit Enter to open the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any service is checked, select Disable All. Select Apply and then click on OK. You will be prompted to restart your system. Click on the same. This will reboot the system in the clean boot state. Now you will be able to figure any troublesome third-party program through the hit and trial method. When everything else fails, the last solution will be to reset Windows. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to System in the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Recovery. Now, click on Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files, then click on Cloud Download. We hope your problem will be resolved by the time you exhaust the final solution. Thank you, and have a nice day.